If you're tired of the same old, monotonous background in your WhatsApp chats, I have the perfect solution for you. In this video, you'll learn how to easily change the chat background and add a bit of color and style to your conversations. Whether you want something elegant, cheerful, or completely unique, the options are endless. So, let's dive right into the process. The first thing you need to do is open your WhatsApp app. Once you're on the WhatsApp home screen, in the top right corner, you'll see 3 dots. Tap them, and this will open the menu with options. In the menu that appears, select Settings. When you're on the Settings page, find the Chats option and tap it to open. Once you open Chats, in the Display section, tap the Wallpaper option. Here, you can see the current background of your chat. To change it, tap the Change option. In this section, you will see different categories of backgrounds, such as bright, dark, solid colors, and My Photos. Each of these options offers different types of backgrounds you can choose from. If you select bright, you'll get light, cheerful backgrounds that will add vibrancy to your chats. If you prefer something darker, select dark for elegant and subtle backgrounds. For a simple yet effective look, there are solid colors, offering solid colored backgrounds in various shades. If you want something personal, click on My Photos and select a photo from your gallery as your background. Once you choose what you want, find the background that suits you and tap it. After the background appears, tap the Set Wallpaper button at the bottom of the screen. The background will immediately be set as your new chat background, and that's it. Now you can enjoy the refreshed look of your conversations. If this video was helpful to you, don't forget to like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more useful tips and tricks. I'll see you very soon in my new video, and thank you so much for watching.